Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing like a get ready with me chit chat. Like I'm just wearing a normal top. The reason there's a wet patch on my top is because I wash my hair's still wet. I'm going to put some Nyx Primer all over my face. Love this stuff, it really is good. I'm going on holiday in September and I literally can't wait. That is what I can't wait to do. I actually can't wait for August to be done and to get into September. And I have a right spot there, don't I? And I can't wait to do that because I want to go away, I want to see everything. Like, I just need to go away. Just basically just put my foundation on. Today is my best friend's birthday. I don't call her my best friend, I call her my sister more than a best friend, because me and her have been best friends forever. We've been best friends since we were kids and we've known each other for longer than 7 years. We are both, I was 30 in December. If you didn't see my vlog channel, I was 30 and I enjoyed my 30th. My best friend was there, didn't know she was going to be there. It's quite a nice surprise and I had fun on my 30th. My friend's 30 today. So yeah, hopefully you are all doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm just, my body's just not coping with me at the minute. So I think I'm just need to switch back to being vegan. Since eating meat, my body is just not coping with eating meat as I had planned. I've been getting ill because of it, and my body's probably just rejecting me, but just because it's not working with my body anymore. Me and my husband were talking and he's even said since I've had meat I've gotten like a bit ill, and I've said I don't really like to get ill, and he knows that I hate getting ill and he knows I just don't like it, and he's like, I love you but I think it's time that you went back to vegan because the meat is not agreeing with you anymore. So that's what's happening. I'm going to use the Ofra highlight. Oh, Nikkie came out with a really nice highlight. It's like, she came another one with Ofra, and they're two highlights, but one's a bluey purpley shift and one's a pinky shift, and I so want to get that because it looks fabulous. I mean, look at Ofra highlights. That is some highlight. Like, look at that. Whoa, that's a bit thingy. Oh, tone it down a bit. On the lips, it's going to be insane. I'm glowing to the gods today. So yeah, Wendy's birthday today, and I'm so happy that she's like, you know, it's her birthday and she's 30. Like, I've known her for years, as I said. I know my brows need doing, please don't judge. I'm going to get them done at the end of August. I need to get some, I need to get some more of this. Like, not more, I need to, like, you know, get some other brow products to use. And it's her birthday, and I'm really happy that it's her birthday, you know. Bold ass girl brows, that's what I can do with my brows, because if I try and touch them up, it's what I hate with brows. If you try and touch them up, they're not going to touch up. If you try and do anything else, they're not going to do anything else. It's a fight against your brows, basically. This brow always goes well than this brow. I love this brow, I love more. As you can see, Charleane Knott, my remix palette. So there it is. I don't know if I'm going to use that though, because I don't know. I love the colours. The colours are really nice in here, really pink, and the neutrals. But I think I'm going to switch it up to this palette. I think I'm going to take 2 of these on holiday with me. I'm only there for a week, but I do love this palette. But I have to play with this palette a little more, because ever since I got it, I think I played with it twice, and that's it. So they're all the colours. So I'm going to play with that in another video for you guys. But I'm loving the fact that, you know, if you have a best friend, have a best friend. And if they're a keeper, keep that best friend, because they're with you for life. They are with you because they just know you and you know them. Like, we've been best friends for years, and it's really a nice thing to do for being best friends for years. I put on this colour, it's called Charmed, and it's from the Manny in the eyewear collection. It is just a beautiful colour. With my Max X Plus, I need to sell it. And this is my completed makeup look with wet hair. So yeah, hopefully you did enjoy this video, me snapping on makeup talking to you, but yeah, the most I've ever talked to you about, know about a lot of things, you know. So hopefully give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.